Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 2nd of February 2023. Here we are again to discuss on the post-market reports on Bank Nifty February future and Nifty February future. And today was a weekly expiry, so whatever has happened today in the market, this video comment is purely based on my point of view and all the content is only for the education purpose. Alright, so now let us get started and see how the market has been performing. So before that, we'll start first with Bank Nifty. Before moving forward on the Bank Nifty and then post-market reports, I'd also like to tell you that yesterday was a Fed meeting. The market in the US was slightly uh, in that timing. I'm telling you that throughout the day it was like 90% or 75% of the day it was in a red, and post that the market recovered very fast. Also, the interest rates in the US have again gone up by approximately 0.25%, which is again slightly on the heavier side, but it is okay. Still the market has took it in a very positive way, and the market has their close in a green area, but right now it is trading in the red area. So tomorrow we might expect a slightly gap up to be happening, but anyway, whatever levels I gave you yesterday has well performed in today's market, and that is what has happened today. And we're going to see how the market has been performing and how it has been performing. So I just want to show you my order book, and this is my order book looking over here. 18 at 9:18 I entered approximately 150 quantities, and I just took 2 10 points. I did not feel that it's gonna fall more down, and I saw that the market might go up. So what I did, it was approximately 600 points down in Bank Nifty. So what I did was I took 20%, like only 20%. Okay, I just took 20% of and okay, I used 20% of my capital, sorry, 10% of my capital, and took this bet. This was totally I was not sure. I was ready to lose my entire money in this, so I just like Bank Nifty 40,300 call options will go. I went with approximately 200 quantity with 105, but great it was. I turned out to be right. The market recovered very aggressively. In less than 4 minutes, I made approximately 180% returns, and it's an amazing absolute experience. But my usual quantity in this account would be approximately 1000 or approximately 750, but I choose to go only 200 quantities, so not much. But here, if you can see in my shorts video, 1000 was my entry. It went up till 62, and within a second it came back to 38, and I just gave a market order and it got executed at 42.22, and that gave me approximately 2222 rupees ka profit. And I made again a scalp in the after the European market had opened. After European market, I made a scalp of approximately my entry was approximately 12 30. This is 14 seconds straight gave me approximately 3000 profit. So total profit, which was 41,722.50, was my today's profit. And all the put options which I had traded went to zero, and the call option which I traded went to close on 369. All right, cool. Now let us come back on the chart and then see how the market has performed. So the previous close here is at 17,677, open is at 17,597, high is at 17,739, low is at 17,522. All right, so now let us go on a 3 minute time frame and then see how the market has been performing. As we expected, the market opened gap down. After opening the market gap down, it did not perform much to the lower side. In it, we were expecting it to go fall till 40,000 for 17,400, but it took a very strong support and created a lower highs, sorry, higher highs. And after creating the higher highs, the next target, which went up from 17,530, it went up until 17,730, and it gave a 200 point quickly recovery in approximately half an hour, which was again slightly mind-blowing. And post that, after touching the resistance over here, it even fell the gap approximately this point, and after that the market went on or on to perform in a range, and then Nifty has completely stayed in the range. And there's nothing to discuss on this about, but it has completely been stayed in the range, and that's how the range has been. But it is trying to break out this resistance level, so we can definitely expect a flat or a gap up opening. Once the gap up has happened or opening, if it crosses 5 750 ish level, or let's say 730 or 700 level, we can expect the next target to be 875 and the second target to be approximately 18,000 to be coming by the end of the day, or maybe within half an hour we can expect that to be happening. All right, so now let us move to the Bank Nifty February future. Okay, so the Bank Nifty previous closing is at 40,727, open is at 40,289, low is at 40,505, high is at 41,004. All right, cool. It's like up and down is like 1,000 points, and opening is and closing is like approximately 600 points. Not much to worry about. All right, so now the market has opened a huge gap up, huge gap down. After opening the gap down, same thing happened with the Bank Nifty, followed by the Nifty. Okay, so what has happened over here clearly is I told you in Nifty that the market might close above this resistance level, but it did not much. So what is going to happen over here, we can see the market I mean to say the market might perform gap up tomorrow or in a good day. So the 95% confirmation I'm going to give you in this chart, which we can see open gaps down from here, takes a stronger support, creates a higher lows or higher highs. Okay, and then touches the resistance number one over here, 40,900, and which started from approximately 40,000 ish level, and after that it recovered very well. After that it approximately took half 30-40 minutes to recover, and then stayed in a sideways range after touching 40,200 again to near the closing price. The market started to move on a very positive side, and while it has managed to close at approximately nearby 241,000, and you can see the market being 600-700 points down has closed approximately about 250 points. That gives a strong signal. And if you see Nifty is trying to push its way up to the higher to close in the green, but it sadly it couldn't close above its previous today's opening. It could not close above that, but whatever it is, right now we can expect this much to be happening tomorrow. We can expect approximately Bank Nifty rally. I am expecting bindas say 42,000 ish level to be touching. My first target, I'm going to keep it 40,500. Between this, I'm going to keep it 40,000, 41,500. I'm going to keep that one. Second target, I'm going to book maximum lot at approximately 40,800. From there we can might see a slight U-turn or reversal to 40,500 ish level. All right, so yeah, that's what it is. Let us see how the market will be performing. All right, so thank you so much everyone for staying up until here in this video. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Good night. Thank you again.